Hello guys, another day, another shortcuts in ArchiCAD. This time about one single letter, M, like Margaret. This shortcut I think you will use a lot in ArchiCAD because it's very important and make very easy to calculate some distance in ArchiCAD. But how to do this? Let's jump to ArchiCAD and check it. So just click M and you can see small icons and information about which ArchiCAD step to calculating. You can see distance, angle, x coordinate, y coordinate. And when I will move my cursor to another place, you can see different data there. Why? Because ArchiCAD is all the time calculating everything from 0 point, and my 0 point of my project is here. If I will go to the 0 point, you can see everywhere is 0, but for example, if I will be somewhere here, you can see a lot in my way millimeters, because I'm working on millimeters here. You can see in feet, centimeters, meters, depends on your units. And how to calculate? For example, I would like to know how long is this wall. You need to click on the beginning, and you can see with click, everything we get 0. And without clicking, just go and leave your cursor at the end of this wall, and you can see that this wall has 8,100 millimeters. Another way, I would like to check how big is this area inside my home or inside this room. You can calculating this by clicking with every corner of this area, and after the second corner you start to see some gray area, and how big this gray area will be, such area you will see. So you need to make in gray color everything inside, all area which you would like to calculate, and you can see on the bottom of those information not only distance, angle, coordinate, but you can also see cumulative distance, so 1 plus second distance plus this distance, but also in the bottom is area. So now I can see that everything what is in gray color has 41 meters, 25 centimeters. And if I went back to the beginning, I can also see cumulative distance. For example, if I would like to see how many centimeters or meters I need some kind of materials to put around my room. So you can, by clicking M, you can very quick see, calculate, check the distance or area without using dimensions tool. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are talking about Vectorworks, and remember that from my website you can download free of charge or your own list of shortcuts in ArchiCAD. And even if you are working on older version, probably mostly there are something like 200 shortcuts on the list. More of them will be working for sure in your ArchiCAD. But if you are working, for example, in different language version, you will see on the beginning of this list information how to download your own list, which are working exactly in your version of ArchiCAD. See you tomorrow. Day after tomorrow we are back to ArchiCAD, so if you are not working in Vectorworks, I'm recommending to you check, and maybe you will start to like it and you will start to using. And if you are working in ArchiCAD, not Vectorworks, day after tomorrow we are back here and talking again about shortcuts in ArchiCAD. See you.